Owino, KTN.
Moving on, the extradition request for the British national suspected for the murder of Agnes Wanjiru has now been formally transmitted to the Office of the Attorney General, which acts as the central authority for handling such matters. The Attorney General's office confirmed that 2 physical copies and a soft copy of the extradition documents were dispatched to the United Kingdom on October 9, 2025 via official diplomatic channels. Wanjiru vanished in 2012 after her body was actually hidden and discovered in a septic tank behind an Nanyuki hotel frequented by British soldiers stationed in the area for training. Catherine Imuraget reports from the corridors of justice.
For over 13 years, the family of Agnes Wanjiru has carried the weight of unanswered questions and unhealed wounds. Since her tragic death in 2012, they have clung to hope, seeking justice in courtrooms and through public outcry. Their pain began when Agnes, a 21-year-old mother, disappeared after a night out with a British soldier in Nanyuki. 2 months later, her body was discovered dumped in a hotel septic tank, bearing fatal stab wounds to the chest and abdomen.
So we are also calling on the UK authorities as well to do whatever they can when the matter will be taken on their end, to do everything they can so that they can serve us justice.
We said this matter has taken too long. The state has dragged its feet to bring justice to the family of the late Agnes Wanjiru.
And after years of what the family has called delays and silence, on Tuesday morning, the Milimani High Court finally confirmed what they had long waited to hear. The progress to extradite the British national suspect of Agnes' murders has officially begun. The court urged patience, noting that extradition is a complex legal process involving both Kenyan and UK authorities.
The manner in which you deal with the evidence that you have, how you share it out there, you must be very, very careful, because that could mean an end to this process even before it begins.
According to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, or DPP, the request to extradite suspect Robert James Parkes, now 38, has already been forwarded to the Office of the Attorney General, the legal body tasked with transmitting such documents through diplomatic channels. The AG's office confirmed that 2 physical copies and a soft copy of the extradition documents were dispatched to the United Kingdom on October 9, 2025.
We have therefore started the formal process for extradition. We are waiting for the Solicitor General to transmit the papers.
In both instances, we confirmed receipt with a central authority.
However, State Counsel Gikui Gishuhi requested the court to set a date in January 2026 to confirm progress on the arrest and surrender of the fugitive once the UK authorities respond through diplomatic channels. In a rejoinder, the ODPP clarified that the roles of the victims and the prosecution in the Wanjiru's case are distinct. The ODPP said it will take full charge of the prosecution while welcoming the family's participation and support. Today's directives marks the official confirmation in court that the extradition procedure is underway, following the High Court's September 16, 2025, order issuing a warrant of arrest for the UK suspect linked to the murder. Justice Alexander Muteti directed that Wanjiru murder case be mentioned monthly to track progress in the extradition of the UK suspect. Agnes Wanjiru's death shocked the country. She was last seen alive with British soldiers at a hotel in Nanyuki, where the UK maintains a permanent army base under the British Army Training Unit in Kenya, a military presence that stretches back to Kenya's independence in 1963. While Batuk remains an economic lifeline for many in Laikipia County, it has increasingly come under scrutiny for alleged misconduct by soldiers and the long-standing danger of unexploded ordnance injuring or killing civilians. Now, after over a decade of pain and protest, a small but significant step has been taken on the long road to justice for Agnes Wanjiru. Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
Moving on, all the 3 people who lost their lives during the public viewing